Hey all, I'm PokeMike and welcome back to another random pack a day. So let's see what this wheel will spin me to open today. And it's hard to tell. Okay, Lost Origin. Black code. Okay. And I'm gonna guess a fire energy. And it's psychic. So there's code. Will I get any? So, Radiant Steelix. So, and Kurum. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it's a double banger. So, Lost Origin sleeves. How many do I have left? Ooh. Only 3 more sleeves after these 2. So, I'm quite sure I do have a Steelix already. So, folder. So, already have that. And Steelix is... Yep, so, yep. Well, that's a little bit of a shame. I have them both already. But in a way, it's not. Because that brings it up to 72. So, will I... nah, don't think I will. I think I'll leave it like that and not start a new folder in the new year. Well, maybe 360 openings. I'll see how many cards I've pulled and start again. So, another Lost Origin pack. So, thanks for watching and come back again tomorrow for another video.